For only $668,000, you can be the owner of a 2-bedroom, 2-washroom condo at the center of North York. Hi, my name is Priscilla. I'm your real estate broker in GTA. Today, I'm going to show you one of my fantastic exclusive listings located at Yonge Finch. The Finch TTC Station is only 350 meters away. Before looking at the property, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss my weekly real estate knowledge sharing and some wonderful virtual tours. See you later. Let's take a look at the neighborhood. We can see all those new buildings around. We are at the intersection of Yonge and Bing. I don't need to introduce Yonge Street. It's the main street running Toronto from north to south. The subway line is also running along Yonge Street. It's one of the most prosperous streets in the city of Toronto. Our unit is on Bing Street, a very popular place to have wonderful snacks and meals. There are multiple Chinese restaurants like this Chinese casserole restaurant, pizza, hot dog, sushi, and the very popular chang rice stock. It's early morning at 9 a.m. right now, so it's not open yet. Otherwise, you'd be seeing a long line. And the line pretty much never ends because the rice stocks are not only delicious, but the price is also very affordable. Teenagers love it. We also have a popular Japanese ramen restaurant next to it too. This is our building. No matter students or young professional will love this neighborhood. Let's get inside the property. I am at the entrance. It has a south exposure. A lot of Asian family would favor south exposure units. On my left, there is a double-door mirror closet. On my right, there is the kitchen. The size is pretty good. There is a lot of storage space. On the other side of the kitchen, we can put a dining table. The width of the living room is the perfect distance to sit on the sofa to watch TV. It's early in the morning, the natural light is very soothing, and I said before this unit's exposure is south. There is a terrace. Let's step outside and have a look. The view is amazing. Not much obstruction from other buildings, and it's very green. We can put a garden table and 2 chairs and sit outside to enjoy the sun. Let's have a look from this angle. Living room, dining room, together with the kitchen. The layout is very well designed. Let's go to the bedroom area. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-washroom unit. Let's start with the master bedroom. There is a walk-in closet. It's pretty rare in condos. The size of the bedroom is very big too. Exposure is south, just like the living room, with lots of lights. This bedroom is not only big, the ceiling is also 9 feet high. It feels very spacious. This is the ensuite washroom. The size is good. We have a corner countertop, some storage shelves, a standing shower. Let's have another look from this angle. A wardrobe. We have another storage here. The 2 bedrooms of this unit are located on each side of the living room. This is good for the privacy of each occupant of this unit. This is the second bedroom. It's about 100 square feet. There is a closet and a small terrace with a nice view. Next to the second bedroom, we have the shared washroom. The size is good. It's a complete washroom with a bathtub and a standing shower. Washer and dryer is there. The space is well utilized in this unit. The unit is over 800 square feet, only asking for 668,000. No bidding. What you see is what you get. Contact me as soon as possible if you like it. North York, Yonge Street is very popular, especially among Chinese and Korean students and young professionals. We can see all the restaurants and stores along the street. Young people love the delicious restaurants here, such as Chinese or Korean barbecue. Life is very practical here. No matter if you study at York University, University of Toronto, or Ryerson, it's all convenient. Line 1 subway runs along Yonge Street. Check out these restaurants. Chinese and Korean students don't need to change their lifestyle. We can see some future constructions too. This is the life on vibrant Yonge Street.